We, the second year students of Agriculture College, aswaraopet 2K17 batch, visited different research centers at Hyderabad on 4th and 5th of February 2019.
India has two research institutes related to rice: Indian Institute of Rice Research and National Rice Research Institute. The Indian Institute of Rice Research was formerly known as Directorate of Rice Research and is located at Hyderabad, whereas NRRI is located at Cuttack, presently in the state of Odisha. The calorific requirements of the 60% of the Indian people is met by rice. Rice basically grows in four major agroecological systems: rain-fed, irrigated, upland, and lowland. IIRR majorly works on irrigated rice, whereas NRRI works on rain-fed. IIRR initially was started as ICRIP and was later named as IIRR. Right now, it has 150 plus centers, out of which 100 centers are funded. IIRR mainly works on four major divisions: crop improvement, biotechnology, crop production in agronomy, transfer of technology. Even crop protection activities with entomology and pathology also takes place. All 1100 varieties of rice were established till today by IIRR. The first developed rice variety was Jaya. S.V.S. Shastri, the co-founder of ICRIP, founded the rice variety Jaya. Other hybrids such as Karnataka rice hybrid KRH were also developed. The recent developed variety by IIRR was improved Samba Masuri variety, which is resistant to BLB, bacterial leaf blight. The Samba Masuri variety is not resistant against bacterial leaf blight, whereas improved Samba Masuri variety was resistant against bacterial leaf blight and is developed by IIRR. For improving the Samba Masuri variety, IIRR received CSIR Team Award. IIRR even has other departments regarding crop development aspects. Departments of IIRR includes entomology, pathology, biotechnology, ecological engineering. Ecological engineering is based mainly on crops such as marigold at IIRR. IIMR, Indian Institute of Millet Research. Indian Institute of Millet Research was formerly known as Sorghum Research Institute. Earlier, it worked majorly on sorghum crop. It worked on sorghum crop in different aspects such as crop for more grain, crop for grain along with fodder, crop purely for fodder, and for sweet sorghum. Presently, IIMR is located at Hyderabad. The Indian Institute of Millet Research is working majorly on 8 millets: sorghum, bajra, finger millet, croissant millet, kodam millet, barnyard millet, foxtail millet, and little millet. IIMR majorly works on 4 divisions: crop improvement, biotechnology, crop production in agronomy, transfer of technology. Crop protection activities with entomology and pathology also takes place at IIMR. The processing unit of IIMR consists of hammer mill, pulverizer, single-stage dehuller, double-stage dehuller, millet mill, etc. The single-stage dehuller is used for proso and kodo millets and it loses the sheath. Double-stage dehuller is used for little and foxtail millets. Millet mill is used for kodo millet as it is hard and consists of 7 layers. The NutriHub of IIMR explains the advantages in the uses of millets. The year 2018 is declared as National Year of Millets, whereas 2023 is declared as International Year of Millets. IIRR IIMR works in coordination with NIN, IFPRI, ICRISAT, and many major centers. IIOR, Indian Institute of Oilseeds Research. Indian Institute of Oilseed Research is located at Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. It was initially started as ICRISAT in 1967 for the research on oilseeded crops. In the year 2015, it was renamed as Indian Institute of Oilseed Research. IIOR works on 5 main oilseeded crops: castor, sunflower, sesame, Niger, and safflower. IIOR mainly works on 4 major divisions: crop improvement, biotechnology, crop production and agronomy, transfer of technology. Even crop protection activities with entomology and pathology also takes place at IIOR. The main criteria of IIOR is to increase the oil content productivity in the crops. IIOR has 3 research farms. One is located at Rajendra Nagar with 13 hectares of land area. The second is located at Shamshabad with a land area of 40 hectares. And the other is located at ICRISAT, which is mainly concentrated on rabi crops such as safflower and castor. Currently, there are 148 members of staff working at IIOR. There are 21 ongoing projects on different oilseeded crops on 10 institutes. At present, there are 21 varieties of sunflower along with that of 33 hybrids. In safflower, there are both spine and spineless varieties developed by IIOR. DSH 185 is the hybrid of safflower. Spineless variety of safflower is Nari 6. It is costlier with an amount of ₹1000 per kg even. The Museum of IIOR represents the works done by IIOR since its establishment, which is present with different oilseeds, oils, and with related information regarding the crop. Presently, there are 13 hybrids of castor along with 20 varieties, 31 hybrids of sunflower along with 18 varieties, 5 hybrids of safflower along with 28 varieties. Mobile apps are also developed by IIOR for crops such as castor, sunflower, and safflower. ICRISAT, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics. The headquarters of ICRISAT is located at Patancheru, Hyderabad. ICRISAT was established in the year 1972. It has its centers in Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and 3 more tropical places. ICRISAT majorly works on crops such as sorghum, pearl millet, finger millet, chickpea, pigeon pea, and groundnut. ICRISAT is working together with CRIDA and SAUs for watershed projects. ICRISAT initiated watershed project at Kottapalli. It is associated with CRIDA, NRSA, Government of AP, DPAP, and Asian Development Banks for the project. The main aim of ICRISAT in the watershed model is to invest less and more construction without the involvement of the middlemen. Traditional watershed model is also present at ICRISAT. In India, 60% of the Indian agriculture is dryland agriculture. ICRISAT mainly works on 4 major divisions: crop improvement, crop production and agronomy, crop protection, transport technology. The hybrid of pearl millet HHP67 is developed by marker-assisted selection MAS, which is resistant against downy mildew, is developed by ICRISAT. ICRISAT works for 3 cereal, 2 pulses, and 1 oilseed crop. The cereals include sorghum, pearl millet, and finger millet. Pulses include pigeon pea, and chickpea, and the oilseed crop include groundnut. ICRISAT has a farm of 1400 hectares. ICRISAT receives 860 mm of rainfall per annum. It conserves all the water in 14 water bodies with 0% wastage. ICRISAT acts as shelter for greater than 200 species of birds and greater than 170 species of plants. ICRISAT has a biotechnology lab where genetic transformations takes place. It has a research watershed in 100 hectares of land, and this is the first and the longest watershed project. ICRISAT does not use any machines such as tractors for the cultivation. Only bullet-drawn machines are used for cultivation. Hyderabad is selected as headquarters of ICRISAT as it has a wide diversified climate which is highly suitable for these stations. It has a wide range of soils. 30 years back, chickpea varieties were long-duration varieties. ICRISAT developed short-duration varieties of chickpea. The main aim of ICRISAT is to improve the standard of life of the poor and the rural people, increase their income by more than 50%, and improvement in the livelihood of the rural people. IIPR, Indian Institute of Poultry Research. It was initially started as ICRIP and was later named as IIPR. Indian Institute of Poultry Research was located in Hyderabad. World-famous breeds such as Kadaknath, which is the native of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, were found over there. Turkish breeds such as quails, bantams from China, turkeys, geese, ducks, etc. were found. Sheep breeds and goat breeds such as Sirohi, etc. can also be found at IIPR. The dairy farm near IIPR has a world-famous breeds such as Murrah, Holstein Friesian, etc. The buffaloes over the dairy farm are found with tail-to-tail system. The multiplication of azolla is also found at the dairy farm.